How to make almost unbreakable cement candle holders, ideal for decorating your home. The first step is to thoroughly wash a plastic container that can be made of yogurt or a similar one. We cover the inside with a very thin layer of edible oil. Then we take a couple of candles and cut them into a larger size than the containers, and coat each candle with a thin layer of oil. Next, we prepare the cement according to your instructions. Generally, it is mixed with water until all lumps are eliminated and a very doughy mass is obtained. Once ready, we must work quickly since the cement dries very quickly. We pour a little in each of the plastic containers until completing 3/4 of its capacity. We put the candles, making sure they fit well in the center. Please note that they should not rest on the base of the container. Once the cement is dry, approximately 8 hours at least, we can remove the candles and unmold. We will already have our own cement candle holders.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.